So this was one of the question which was asked in one of the company by the interviewer, where the interviewer wanted to remove all the special character from the columns. So for example, if I show you like in column number F, you can see that we have this input table and we have only one variable there. The name of this variable is code, and we have so many values inside it. So you can see here that these values consist of alphanumeric value along with the special characters, and we just want to see the output in the form of this, the highlighted one in in column number n. So as you can see, in each of these value we don't have any of these special characters, so we have removed all the special character and we have only kept the alphabets and the number part. Okay, so let's see how to do this in SAS. So as you can see in this editor window, we are just simply creating our data set from row number 3 to row number 12. The name of the data set is have, and we have kept the variable name code here, and again the similar values which we just discussed a few seconds ago. Now just to remove only the special characters from all these values, we are basically going to make use of the compress and the translate. Let's go one by one to each of these functions. So first let's talk about the compress function. So in the compress function, as we know, we basically provide three parameters. So the first parameter is the input variable, right, or the input value. Second parameter, the value that we want to basically compress, right, and the third parameter is the modifier. So what we are doing here is, so we are making use of this kn modifier. So what this kn does in this compress function is basically it removes all the special character except our character, our integers and the underscore. So these three parts will be there, and rest all the value will be excluded. So because we wanted to see in our output only the numbers and the character parts, so that's why what we have done is we have basically translated all the underscore into the sum of the special character parts, so that we don't want even the underscore in our output. Okay, so that's why we are just making use of the translate function here. We are converting the underscore into the ampersand, and then we are making use of this z variable into the compress function. So let's run this code one by one. So I'm just going to run this first part. So as you can see, we have our table with the variable name code, again the same values. Let's run this second part, which is the final output. So now you can see that we have the two columns here, the code, which is the initially in our tables, which the same code part, and then the final values in the y. So in the y, you can see that none of the value has any of the special character. For example, in second row we had this dot and dollar sign. We don't have it here on the right hand side, right? For example, in row number 5 we had this dot, underscore, plus and equals to. So we don't have it on the y column here. So this is how you can get rid of all these special character from one column to the another column with the help of compress and the translate function. So thank you.